Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new, welcome, and if you're back, welcome back, you guys. But today is an exciting day because I have some new goodies from the fall 2020 Chanel Beauty Collection, and I am so excited. I want to show you some swatches of the eyeshadow palette I picked up. This is the Candor et Provocation in 362. This is the palette with the brown shade in it, kind of like a suede. In this photo, you can also see swatches of both of the eyeliners. They are the Stylo Youth waterproof, long-lasting eyeliners. These are in Romance 955, which is labeled, as well as the 959 Psyche. You'll also see all three swatches of the lipstick. You have Rouge Coco 402 Adrian. That's the lightest shade. That is a lipstick formula. And then two matte liquid lipsticks, the Rouge Allure Ink Fusion in Ambiguity and the Rouge Allure Ink Fusion in Idyllique. I am thrilled to share with you this look, as well as swatches of all the lipsticks on the lips. Let's go ahead and get started. Enjoy. Right, so we're gonna go in with this beautiful palette from the fall 2020 collection. I was really drawn to this one just because it has this pretty brown, and I think that's what we're going to start with in the crease. Oh my goodness, y'all, that is so pretty. Now, what I love about this shade, it's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's just a very neutral brown. And what I love about the Chanel eyeshadows is that they are super blendable and super buildable. They are not that pop of pigment and then you have to blend it in. You just keep building it up and keep building it up, and it's a little bit easier to use, in my opinion. Very mature. Next, I think we're gonna go in with this shade here, and I'm just gonna put that right in kind of the outer crease. So I ended up putting that over the whole kind of crease here, and it ended up making a really pretty kind of plummy taupe. I like that though. That's kind of fun, and it pops the eyes out, you know. I'm going to do this in the really outer corner here. This always looks so pigmented, but I'm thinking it's going to be super wearable. Let's look. I actually love that shade a lot. Now that's the deepest shade in the palette, and you think it's going to be super dark and pigmented, but on the eyes, if you use a brush, it goes on it. Now I can deepen it just a bit if I use my fingers, but it is gorgeous. I just cleaned up a little bit of fallout underneath the eyes, and then let's go in with this shade here. I'm really excited about that shade. I think it's going to be so pretty. I love this brush by Scott Barnes. It's his 61 brush. It's a fan brush, but I use it for my eyes, and it just blends everything together really well sometimes. I really like that. These shadows just blend beautifully together. They blend. I'm going to take my finger and just see how it works on. Yeah, you get a lot more pigment with a finger application, and you can get a better idea of how that looks. It's a lot lighter with a brush. I I think I like it with the finger better. Then just deepening up the crease just a little bit more with this purple. If you do have fallout, I'll just clean up a little bit after. I usually throw these little guys away, but I'm actually going to use them. I'm going to put them for my brow bone highlight right here. And do that right here, and then maybe right here. Next, I'm taking this eye smudge brush by Bobbi Brown. I'm actually going to take this shade here, the darkest, and go under the eyes. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I cleaned up under the eyes, I added a bit more concealer, and now we're going to go in with the eyeliners. Okay, so I'm not quite sure which ones I want to use where, but I think I want to use the lighter one. This is the lighter one here. This is in 955. This is Romance. It's gorgeous. And I think I want to use this on the bottom lash lines. We're gonna see what this looks like. So that is the Romance. And I kind of, okay, I was worried that it would look too red and kind of make me look sickly, but I actually kind of like it. And I'm going to see what this actually looks like. Psyche 959. So I'm going to take that on the upper waterline. Those are the eyeliners. This is the eye look. I just touched up with concealer. I'm going to put on mascara and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I did something a little bit different. I actually went in with this shade right here for my cheeks and I really like it. It's pretty, just a sheen, a really pretty sheen. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm excited. So I picked up 3 lipsticks, but I want to show you them each. We're going to start with the lightest shade. So this is called Adrian. Comes in this particular packaging. It's a Rouge Coco lipstick by Chanel. It's 402. It's kind of a, I would say a peachy brownie color. So we're going to put that on. And I didn't use a lip liner because I really want y'all to see the actual lipstick. So for me, this is a very nourishing formula. It's very hydrating on the lips. It's a very true nude for me personally. I love this. I feel very glam, even with a new lip. What do y'all think? Let me know which one you like best. What lipstick? I'm curious. So this is Adrian. We're going from lightest to darkest. So the next lip that I have is the Rouge Allure Ink Fusion in 834 Ambiguity. This is that shade. This is a shade that I said in my haul that they should have named this after me. I was like, they would never do that, but a girl can dream, right? This shade I think is gonna be good. I hope. Let's try it on. This is equivalent to their liquid lips, just an FYI. So it is kind of a matte formula. Put it on. Y'all. I gravitate towards these types of lipsticks. The browns and the, I just love them. Be careful though, because if you do tip them, the pigment will fall out. So just be careful with these particular, the particular container itself. It's in this really pretty frosted glass as well. It's so beautiful. Y'all, I really like this shade. I love this. I love this. It just completes the look. This looks awesome. This lipstick is going to be like the fall lipstick for me, I think. Now that will stain the lips just a hair, but I'm excited about this one. So this is called, same formula as the kind of matte liquid lipstick formula. It is the Rouge Allure Ink Fusion and Idyllique. I think that's right. Guys, this is blue undertone red. I love a good blue undertone red. I talk about it all the time. I don't know if you know, but I love it. I mean, I love blue undertone. I like it because it makes your teeth just look amazingly white. So white. Let's try this on. I'm excited about this one, guys. Wait a minute. I'm curious to know how this will look, if it will look more red or more plummy, just kind of with the whole look together. But I feel like the look itself is quite neutral, but just kind of glammed up in a way. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Do y'all think the same way? Or do you think this is not very neutral? I kind of think it is. I mean, more of a wearable look, right? Evening wearable, maybe? Y'all let me know. I really like this, you guys. Wow. Now, I usually wouldn't do kind of like an amped up eye with like a good bit of liner and stuff like that with a bold lip. I actually think it kind of works. I don't know. I think I kind of like the other ones better with this eye in particular, but this red is going to be it for the holiday for me. What do you think? I love it. It's super comfortable. I think it's just really pretty. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the look, about the products I used, about the lipsticks, which were your favorites. Let me know. They're all different. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What you know about me using the eyeshadow as blush. I kind of like it. Thank you guys so much. So much for being here. Oh my goodness, it means so much to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.